Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M53, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple Layout on this device. First of all, you need to click on Play Store, then click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. After that, install this app from this developer and choose Open. Now choose while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Following that, click on Home button and go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Apps section here. Then click on Choose Default Apps, tap on Home app and click on iOS Launcher. After that, just select Got it, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Samsung. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts though by going into Settings. Then choosing Apps, choose Default Apps and Home app. Now you can click on your default launcher over here or apply the Apple one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!